Question number 1. In this example, write each statement an algebraic equation. Write each statement as algebraic equation. Question number 1. 9 more than 8 equals x. 9 more than y equal x. More than is meaning 82. Question number 2. 20 more than z equal h. 20 more than z, 20 plus z equals h. Question number 3. k increased by 9 equal f. k increased by 9 equals f. Number 4. y equals the sum of 11 and x. y equal sum of 11 and x, or you can write y equal 11 plus x. Question number 5. Question number 5 here. Three times k equal n. 3 times k, it's meaning 3k, equal n. Number 4. Number 4 here, y equals the sum of 11 and x. Okay, this is number 6. Okay, number 6 now. h equals the product of 3 and 4. h equals the product of 3 and d. 3 and d, it's meaning 3d. Question 7. n equals 3m, it's meaning 3m, increased by 12 plus 12. Okay, it's question number 1. Question number 2. Write each equation as a verbal phrase. Number 1. k equal 20p. We can write here k equals the product of 20 and b. Okay, right? k equals the product of 20 and b, or the product of 20 by b, or k equals 20 times b. Question number 2. x equals 4 plus y. We can write x equals 4 increased by y, or 4 more than y, or 4 increased by y. x equals. Okay, question number 3. w plus 12 equal z. w add 2, w add 2, 12 equals z. Question number 4. m minus n equal 3. We can write here m less by n, m less n equals 3, or we can write n less than m equal 3. n less than m equals 3. Next question, number 5. We have x plus y equal 10. Write equation verbal phrase here. x a2y equals 10, or we can write x increased by y equals 10. Okay, question number 6. K less 2 equals h. K less 2 equals h. Use the following equations and complete the table dependent and independent. In this relation, b equal to a, we want dependent, verbal, and independent. And here, write here dependent, and here we can write independent. In this relation, the dependent here it will be b, independent will be a, and n, this equation n equal a less m, dependent m, independent m. Next relation, y equal x minus 5, dependent y, and independent here what? X. Next equation, h equal 3k minus 10 or plus 10, dependent here h, independent k. Y equal 18 minus x, dependent y and independent x. And the next question here, this equation d equal 6 plus 6c, dependent and independent here will be c, this unknown variable here. 14 plus 2e equal f, dependent here f and independent e. This relation, 7y minus 3 equal x. We want to find dependent here, it will be x, and independent it will be y. Next question, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. In the equation x equal 3y minus 7, the dependent variable here, dependent, it will be x. X is dependent. Choose letter A. Question number 2. In the equation 9a minus 31 equal b, independent variable here, it will be a. A, we called it independent. Letter question 3. The equation that represents 8 more than s, 8 more than s equals t, right, equal t. Question number 4. The equation that represents m equals the product of n and 3. We can write the first here. He tells us the equation represents m equals the product of n and 3. n and 3, it will be 3n. Question number 5. The equation that represents 4 times h 80 to 7 equal k. 4 times h will be 4h, 82, it's meaning plus 7 equal k. 4 times h, 82, 7 equals k. Question 6. The equation that represents f equals the sum of adding 11 to product of 8 and e. F equals the product of 8 and e, right? 8 and e, adding to 11. Again, the sum of adding 11 to the product of e, or we can write f equal the sum of adding 11 to product 8 and E.